How to remove your profile picture on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll walk you through the steps on how to remove your profile picture on Facebook. To do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, open up your Facebook application and log into your account. As you are logged in, you want to click on the profile from the top right hand side corner, and then you want to go ahead and click on your profile from a menu bar as well. Where you want to click on your profile picture, you could go ahead and click on see profile picture, and if you want to delete it, click on the three dot icon and click on delete button. Once you do it, so you've successfully removed your profile picture. You could see this is how it's gonna look like. Now then you could go ahead and add another one, or you could replace it with other one. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.